Welcome to the quick tutorial of PVAPins.com. PVAPins is a platform where you can buy or rent any country's phone number for verify any app. First we have to go PVAPins.com and click the sign up button. If you have already an account, then simply log in your account, if not just register new account button. Fill the box with proper information and tap the create account button. After sign up successfully, we will see the interface like this. For purchase or rent any number, we have to recharge this account. The process is very easy, just hover on top up option and select recharge your account. All available payment methods are shown here based on country. Select any of them and made a successful recharge. After a successful payment, the amount will add our account and will be shown here. Now we are ready to purchase number here. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of opening a Twitter account with a virtual Malaysian phone number using PVAPins. Let's get started. First, type x.com from any browser and enter there. Entering the site, this interface will appear here and simply click the sign in option. To create a Twitter account, a valid phone number is required. Here's where PVAPins comes in. Open PVAPins and search for Malaysia in the country list. Type Twitter in the search box to filter available numbers. Select one from the list of Malaysian available numbers. A phone number will be shown here. Copy it and return to the Twitter registration page and paste the number into the required field. Click on the next button to proceed. An OTP will be sent to the number you just entered. The code will be displayed on the PVAPins dashboard. Copy the OTP and paste it into the verification field. Once you enter the correct OTP, your account will be successfully verified and ready to use. PVAPins makes the entire process seamless and efficient. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips.